Okay, so here's the demo video of the robot back together. In case you missed the one where I was showing the insides and how Roto-Matics work, how to repair them, some of the common problems. I'll put a link to it in the description down below. So if you haven't ever looked at one of these, this is one of the earlier made in Japan versions, and it's called the Fly Eye because instead of the astronaut face it has the cool robot face. It has the nice all metal doors with the litho on the inside and the two-stage gun where it doesn't just pull out, it actually pivots and has more depth to it. And there you have the action. Walking, rotating guns, clattering lights, a whole ball of wax.